throw it up in a bun because it's being a pain in the booty. Hey, it's Cassie, and today Big Hit released a couple of videos, 3 videos actually. We have Anpanman, Airplane Part 2, and Fake Love from the comeback show that they had today. And yeah, we're going to react to those 3 videos today. So yeah. This video, I will be reacting to Anpanman, one of my favorite songs from this album. Honestly, I say like every single song is my favorite because they're all my favorite in different ways, okay? Let's get on into Anpanman BTS from their comeback show today, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, look at Tay. Is there a fan underneath him? Oh! Hey! I love this song. It's just so... Oh, some ballet. Okay, okay. Wait, Jin did the other one? Oh, get it, Yoongi. Oh, this is so cute. Hey. Oh, I love that. Oh, I felt that. Oh, get those shoulder rolls. Oh, this has like very YOLO-esque vibes, like with the dance. They're just having fun. Hey, get it, Hobie. Oh, RM. Why do you look like you're going to prison? Like, with the orange jumpsuit. I get it though. Go stand chance. Oh, yes, Jimin. Oh, Jungkook is so cute. Oh, yes, Tay. Oh. Hey. Hey. I love this breakdown part of the like in the music. Look at Jin get it back there. Hey. Oh, yes, get those claps. Jenna. It has such a relaxed feel to it, but they're still hitting everything. Hey. Get it, RM. Oh, I felt that right there. Oh. Oh, the boys, the boys, the boys. Okay, so like the dance on point, it was like so relaxed and like it was, I don't know. It was like they were relaxed, but they were like hitting them. It was like on point, and it was like it was just a very fun dance. Like, you know, like, but like, oh, I love Anpanman. It's such a good song. It's such a bop. I love the like, oh, still BANGTAN. I love it. I love it. And the outfits, yes. But did we see Jin and RM getting those dances? Like, yes, like, kill it. Like, they have like improved immensely. And then V becoming like being recognized as part of the dance line, like, yes, 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 yes. But it's so cute. It's yay. We are going to get on into Airplane Part 2. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. There we go. We got a microphone. I did hear they dance with a microphone and chair. I love the vibe of this music, like the song. Ooh, you feel that ish, Jungkook. I have died and gone to heaven. What is he doing? He just sat down. He sat down with the microphone. The microphone. The classic microphone. Like, it's a classic microphone. I'm not gonna make it. Okay. Ooh. Are you seducing me? Oh! The way Jimin came in. Okay, first, this song, like, when I listen to it in my car, I'm all like, I'm jamming, okay? So I know this is gonna be some sexy choreo, but Jimin, okay. There's gonna be a lot of pausing, and I'm so sorry for that. Yes! Ooh, see! Did you just see Jin go, like, whatever. Whatever. RM. Oh my god. Okay. Namjin. Jin gives no Fs. Oh. Yes. Look at his outfit. Have you all noticed that Jimin's been wearing very short shirts? Like, they're like shorter cut, like they're not a full t-shirt, but they're not a crop top. Just throwing that out there. And also, I'm already, okay, we're gonna back it up a little bit. I need to see this choreo. And die. Okay. Oh! Yes! They really did just that. Okay, okay, okay. Hit me with that mariachi now. Oh! I'll talk about Yoongi's outfit when it comes to him. Just hold on. I see him, don't worry. Ooh. Okay. 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 You know. Okay. Oh, I see you, Jin. Don't come at me like that. Oh, J-Ho. Ooh. That was just so sexy. With the way he was with the microphones, just like. Okay, breathe, Cassie. You got this. Oh, yes. 3/4 of the dance line. Oh, I see you, Armin Jim, getting back there. Yoonmin just gonna come at me like that? Okay. Okay, they're gonna come for me like that. Alright. Okay, just sit there. Just scare me. Like, let's talk about Yoongi's outfit. Let's talk about his outfit. He be looking fine. He be looking so fine. Like, it's working. It is working. All their outfits are working for them. They look so good. Oh, that's from Osaka. Those teases. That move, I can't. Taya. I did not come for this disrespect. Okay. You get your ish, Jin. In the center, yes. Okay. Okay, Jungkook, you just gonna... Okay, you gonna... Okay, the disrespect. Okay. Okay. What? Oh, more disrespect. I did not ask for so much disrespect. It's so hot in here now. Ah! Wow, 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 wow. Wow. They looking fine. They sounding fine. The dance moves are fine. Like, yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. I did not ask for so much disrespect from them. They gonna do us like that? They gonna just do us like that. I'm here for it though. Like, disrespect me. I'm okay with this disrespect, alright? Like, as you can see, I'm okay with this disrespect. Alright. I feel like I need to, like, get all, like... I'm probably gonna change after this and do my makeup and do my hair and be like, oh, like... Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Airplane Part 2 is just that song. It is that bop. It is that... Yeah. It's so sexy. Oh my god. And like the way they made it feel, it's like, I can't. I am going to be reacting to Fake Love from the Comeback Show. Now, I did react to the music video. Hear me out. I know I did not upload the video. But hear me out, okay? So I had recorded a reaction video after I had watched the music video. Because I watched the music video as soon as it came out, which happened to be 3 a.m. where I was. 3 a.m.? 4 a.m.? 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Yes. I was in Panama City Beach for vacation with my friend and her family, and so I had woke up to watch the album release V-App video that they did, the V-Live, and then I watched the music video right after as soon as it was up, and so I did not have a first initial reaction. So I had reacted and gave more of my thoughts and opinions on it, because when I watched it the first time I was speechless, and when I watched it for like the 7th time, okay? I had watched it more in detail and was paying more attention to like little bits in it. So like I was catching things that I hadn't caught the first, second, third time. Now, the reason why I didn't upload it though is one, it was a half-hour video. Because when I was in Florida, we went to Target, me and my friend, and I went and bought the art version of the album. So I had like gone through the album, and I reacted to the video. But I was super awkward in the video because my friend was watching me, her family was in the other room, and I felt like they could hear me, and the lighting was bad, and everything was just a mess, and I'm getting over my allergies and sinuses and like whatnot, but there it was full blown, so I wasn't feeling the best, and a lot of things had happened, so I wasn't feeling the best, and I wasn't myself, and that's why my reaction to the music video isn't uploaded. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I did react to the BBMAs, but we know how that camera work was, so now we have the MNET BTS comeback show with the full choreography, camera, better work, like, you know, like the camera works better on MNET, on the comeback show, so like usual, like, you know. But yeah, enough about that. Let's get on into this video. Alright, BTS Fake Love comeback show in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh wow, this set. I'm getting very Blood, Sweat, and Tears vibe. Is this like, well, obviously it's like after it, but you know, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. Okay, we got the harness again. You gonna look at me like that? Okay, I love that zoom in part. He has his lip ring on. He has the lip ring on. You got the harness and the lip ring and those earrings. What are you doing to me, Tay? Oh my God. Oh, I can tell I'm already gonna die. Okay, let's get it over with. Yes, Jungkook. Okay. I can feel it. Ooh, I still feel those pulse. Like, get it, Jin! His harness. What is up with BTS and harnesses lately? I cannot. They look so good though. Oh, did you see that? Ooh. Oh, get it, J-Hope. I love the purple in his hair. Oh, that's the part we wanted to see on BB. I love when Jimin controls it. Yes, get it, get it, get it. I still can't get over the set. It's so beautiful. Oh, nah, didn't do it. I mean, in the music video, he didn't do it the first time either. Oh wait, I was at the wrong part. Oh, he didn't do it still though. I always think it's sooner than what it is. Yes. I'm dead. Why does he do it every time? I'm not complaining. It's hot. Yoongi, get your airtime. Look at his hair. I love it. Oh. My favorite part of the choreo. It's just so smooth. Oh, I love that part. Jin, yes. Like, that's just so smooth. Oh. I'm sorry, this song makes me so happy and like so hyped. Oh, it's so good. And the set is so good. Their outfits are on point. Their sets are on point. Yes, V-Men. I can't. Hold on. I just saw the lip ring again and I can't get over it. Why does he look so good? Oh my god. I can't. I did just see that this is like 5 minutes long. The song's ending. Yes. Oh, down. Okay, we still have a minute. Look at Jin's hair. Yes. Where did all these people come from? What is happening? Okay. We getting a story here. They're amazing for like holding that. I'd get so tired. I'd be like, I'm bored. Oh! Wow. What? Connections are happening! I'm not a theorist and I'm not gonna try, but connections, there are connections. Please leave a comment down below what you think the theory is and like the connections and everything. Leave it down below in the comments. Wow. Okay, you're just gonna do that. Put on cloaks, okay. Wait, they got... What? Okay, singularity? What just happened? What was that ending? I need answers. Okay, first, the cloaks. Okay, yeah, cloaks. Okay, connections like magic shop, like, you know, because in the teaser, like, they obviously went to the magic shop, like, traded in stuff from the Wings, like, from Wings era. Traded that in, got stuff from the highlight reel, except for Jungkook. He just got a key. He got a key, and then he went to this guy with the cloak. Okay? Cloak. Got that. Okay? Would have been fine with the cloak, you know? Connection made. Then the masks. Those masks. Oh my god. Okay, so singularity is now in this. This is why I don't try to do theories, because it makes my brain hurt. Okay, I'm not gonna... Enough about those theories and stuff. Let's talk about the boys. The boys look great. They look great like always. They're I can't speak now. The dancing was great, on point. So happy I got to see the choreo in this. It was perfect. It was great. Taeyang's lip ring. I will not get over that. Put me in the grave. Put me in the ground. Okay. All right. I already talked about the choreo. The harnesses. They keep including harnesses now. Is that part of the theory? Not gonna get in there. They sounded great. I probably said that already. Like, they just, yes, 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 yes. And what? Yes, and what? Those are my two emotions right now. Are those emotions? I can't with these boys. I can't. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. The original video for the Fake Love comeback show performance will be in the description below. And also on my social media, if you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, talk to me on the Line app, on Army Amino, all of that will be in the description down below, so check it out. The description's important. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!